I saw a picture of you with Ranveer Singh. What is the story behind it? I know there's something interesting to spill.
Yes. So, Ranveer has been signed up as the brand ambassador for Ducati.
Okay.
And me being a Ducati factory racer, of course, the association with Ducati, owning a Ducati. So, of course, predominantly we've been a part of the whole, the Ducati circuit, as I say. So, yes, so I met him for the very first time at the MotoGP. And he's such a fun-loving guy, I can't tell you.
So, what do you put on first? Helmet or sunglasses?
Helmet.
Okay. Speed or control? Which is important?
Control.
Control
You want me to elaborate also, or just
No.
Okay, perfect. Control.
Control.
Because I can speak for hours on this.
Okay.
Okay.
Shit, ये miss कर दिया हमने. Anyway, first bike you ever rode?
Was a Splendor. One of Splendor's bikes. No, actually, no, it was a CBZ.
Okay.
My cousin's CBZ.
Okay.
It was parked under his house, and हमने first gear में पूरा शहर का राउंड ले लिया था.
पहले गियर पे?
सिर्फ पहले, क्योंकि हमें वही आता था ना.
Okay. Dream superbike?
Dream superbike is the Ducati V4, which I own.
Favorite riding station?
In terms of circuit?
Yeah.
Both international circuit. Yes.
हमारा भारत महान.
Always.
Most used emoji after a ride?
Would be devil.
Okay then. Okay then.
Oh, yes.
Leather jacket or armored suit?
I would say because I'd say armored suit actually. Protection is key.
Switch करता हूँ मैं इसको. Regular clothes or armored suit?
You know the answer.
Say it.
Armored suit.
Armored suit.
Yes.
Okay. Night ride or sunrise cruise?
Sunrise cruise. I'm more of a morning riding person because since I go to the track in the day, I'm not very well versed with night riding.
Street racing या track racing?
Track racing. Any day.
Okay. One word to describe biking. Now this is very important. You can pause this and think.
Passion.
She did not think.
I think, and
Passion.
I am going to elaborate on this term because
Okay.
I feel passion is one word which sums up to everything. It sums up to determination, it sums up to love, happiness. So I think passion is that one word which I would say very strongly defines what I do.